Welcome to the September issue of Inspiration Moments. I'm Tara Lampkin, and I'm here to introduce you to the Dory Recommends column. Today we're going to be talking about stopping all the excuses with motivation and drive. Does your labor include excuses as to why you can't do something? Let's be honest, everyone makes excuses for not accomplishing one thing or another. But the question is, why? Why make excuses? Just be honest and say, I don't know, I didn't feel like it, or I was just lazy, or I forgot. People create thousands of excuses to avoid doing something they're supposed to do. Why are people addicted to making excuses, and how can we change that? Here are the steps to overcome excuse addiction. First, determine if you are suffering from excuse addiction. Second, determine if the excuse is related to laziness or a lack of knowledge. Third, realize that it's okay to be uncomfortable. People sometimes don't do something because they are uncomfortable and don't know how to do the work. Ask for help. Step out of your comfort zone. Stretch your abilities and challenge yourself. Fourth, know that excuses hold you back from advancing your career and earning more money. Make a commitment to bury all excuses, ignite motivation, and drive within yourself. Become an achiever, not a person who makes excuses. Kill excuses and procrastination and begin celebrating your success. Need help? Join us for the next Recipes for Success module and discover how to stop all excuses so you can stay motivated and accomplish your goals. Stay tuned for the product of the month, and until next time, stay inspired.